Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create a tooltip or an alt text in Wix. Tooltips in Wix are created by adding alt text to your images. This improves accessibility for visitors and helps with SEO. Firstly, log into your Wix account and open your site in the Wix Editor on the web browser. Click on the photo you want to add the tooltip to. Now, click the settings icon and then the image settings pop-up will appear. Under image text, look for the field what's in the image, tell Google. Type your description. This becomes the tooltip plus SEO alt text. Now all you have to do is save changes. Just click the X at the top of the settings pop-up to close it. Your tooltip is now saved. You can add alt text to a photo gallery. Click any image, then click Manage Media. In the Organize Your Gallery window, select the photo you want to update, and on the right-hand pane, find Describe Your Image. Then enter your tooltip and click Other Photos and add their alt text. Now when you're done, just click Done to close your gallery window. Just be descriptive but concise and include words naturally. Also make text relevant to the content, not generic like photo or image. And that's it. You've now created tooltip in Wix using alt text. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.